All right, got a few free hours this morning. Gonna head on over to Prado, see how it's looking this week. All right, well, here we are out here. It's about 9 o'clock. Got a little bit of a later start. It's a little chilly today. I think this morning it was about 37 degrees. Right now I'd have to say it's probably about 50 with the sun out. Got a water temperature of 54. We're in about 15 feet of water right down near the spillway, and we're getting a lot of contacts. Water clarity is about the same. I don't think this lake gets a lot of runoff, which is a good thing because we've had a lot of rains here in SoCal. But they've been planting it. I think the rain's probably kept a lot of the anglers away, so there should be a good amount of trout in here. So let's see what we do. We got 2 rods out right now, one with power bait and one with a power worm, and a real small size 14 single wire hook, so it floats. So we'll see how we do. I'll check back in. A little attention here. There we go. Feels pretty good. Man, he really took it. He's fixing to run when he gets up close here. I saw a flash. There he is. There we go. Not a bad little one. Pretty small one. Solid pounder, but it'll taste good. All right, got another nibble here. Looks like he's got it. Yep, there, I got him. Problem with these small single hooks is you really got to keep the tension on the line because they can spit it, because that hook at size 14 is super small. It's the only way this thing will float. Stay away from the front of the boat. There we go. That's a nice one. A little bit bigger than the last one. Yeah, he's got a lot more fight left in him. He just didn't realize there was a boat here. Come on up. Come on. Man, you don't want to give up. One of the fish finders picking up on all his movement. There, I got him. Ugh. All right, yeah, he is bigger than the last one. There we go, a little bit better. So I'm getting a little attention here. There we go. Feels pretty good. This one's heavy. Might be a cat. What's that? Yeah. Feels like a catfish. I think so. It's heavy. Yeah, that's a real big trout. This is on power bait though. Ah, we lost it. Spit the hook. Oh, no, broke the line. Oh well. That was a good one. Try again. A little tension on this one here. See if we can get him. Oh, I missed him. Or did I? Yep, I missed him. Or did I? Nope, I got him. He must have been swimming to the boat the whole time. There we go. Yeah, finally. All right, another pounder. They're all about the same size, it seems like today. Okay, we can get another one. All right, well there you have it. It's about 12:30, so I gotta head in. I was here for about 3.5 hours. Had a little bit of time, but got 3 in the boat. Lost a big one. Ended up breaking me off. I really think it was a big cat. It didn't feel like it was fighting like a trout. It was just pulling. Maybe a carp, but it was something big. Just don't think it was a trout, so I'm not too upset. But hot bait today was the pink Berkley trout worms. Fished those on a real small number 14 needle hook, so they float, and just dead stick it. Sometimes you can reel them in slow, but I was just dead sticking it, and that's what they were hitting. There's another guy, you can hear him in the video on the shore, and he was doing the same thing with those pink Berkley worms, and he was getting them too. So not much on the power bait, but it seems like the Berkley worms are the hotness right now. So with that, leave some comments, any questions, like and subscribe. Tight lines. See you next time.